All right, so good morning, beautiful people. I'm still on this theme of trusting the process. That is kind of what my church's theme is going through right now with prayer calls and Bible studies and church sermons. And it just allows me to be reflective over my life. Right now, my biggest problem with my process is quieting the noise. If you are a person like me who is somewhat of a perfectionist, I just try to do things at a high standard, and if I don't reach those standards immediately, kind of what I was discussing in my previous video, go watch it. Sometimes you want to see immediate results, and when it doesn't happen, you get kind of discouraged. And I think you have to take yourself out of that headspace where you're allowing yourself to soak too long. You want to make sure that you have a good recovery rate. You want to be able to allow yourself to feel the way you feel, but bounce back. Okay, the bounce back got to be quicker, and I think that is the key to success, especially for myself. Is the longer I am doing more and the less I am thinking too hard about things, the better my consistency is, the better my productivity is. And I think that's just the lesson of the day. It's just get out of your head. Don't allow yourself to soak too long. Don't allow yourself to think too hard. Feel the way you feel, but you got to get up and get stuff done. And that's pretty much it. Bye, y'all.